Hello YouTube friends. If you've been watching my videos, you know that back in October, I believe it was, I planted one potato from the grocery store. Planted it in this box, and after 2 months of growing, the great freeze came through and froze it off, leaving me with a handful of potatoes. I mentioned back then I'll probably just plant those again and see what happens, so that's what I'm about today. Also picked up one other potato that was left in a bag that didn't have any other use for, so I'm going to put them all in the dirt here, see what we get. I'll put the new one at the back. The biggest one I'm going to put right in the middle. Couple others in here. And then we will just cover them up with dirt and see what we get. Okay, there's the potatoes laid out. Most of them are pretty tiny. Hopefully I'll get something growing out of this deal. Now I'm just going to cover them up with dirt and hope for the best. So, January 31st, 2018, in Central Florida, I've got my Tater Tower started and planted. I'll be adding more, assuming that something grows. I'll be adding more dirt from time to time, and as necessary, I'll add more frames to the tower. Hopefully I get up to maybe 2, 3, 4 feet tall by the end of the season. And we'll see if we got any potatoes out of the deal. So, stay in touch. Check back for updates from time to time. And I'll keep you informed. Goodbye, friends.